Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us about 100 kilometers or so outside of Bangkok. We're at probably the nearest beach to the city, and it is the most popular beach for the Thais to come over here and spend a day away from the city. We're at pretty much a local Thai beach. There is a lot of development and stuff like that all around here, and when you come here, you're not here because it's like one of the top 10 beaches in Thailand. It's probably not even in the top 100 as far as beautiful, like peaceful beaches. This is a Thai beach and there is a lot of activity going on here. So let's walk around here. I'll tell you a little bit about it, and you get to see the water, see the beach, and see kind of what it's like. So let's enjoy this just a little bit. What I like about Bang Saen is you come down here, they have this cool boardwalk that they've built, and then there's food all down the way. And I don't know how long this beach is. It's probably like 5 kilometers or so. And there's all these little seafood places all along the way. So you can buy seafood right here, and then they can grill it. And then you can sit right over here on the chairs, and they have all the umbrellas and the beach chairs. You can rent those for like 50 baht a chair, and you can hang out. And I think this beach is open till like 9 o'clock on the weekdays, and it's open until midnight on the weekends. And it is always busy. You can see there's all kinds of places to eat, and it is mainly seafood. So if you want to come over here, get some fish, some squid, whatever, then you can. But they do have other things. If you come back, you can find some of the gapao and fried rice and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like behind the beach, and it is just a chaotic mess. Parking is insane, and there's guys that all they do all day is they push these cars forward and back, because people park on the inside and they push the cars out of the way so you can get out. And then there are some hotels and stuff like that. You can come down and stay. There's some higher end, and then there's just some, you know, just local places. It's really busy, and they do have a nice like cover with the palms here over the beach. Okay, so let's walk down and look at a little bit of the food, and I'll show you some of the beach, and maybe I'll try to break the drone out here in a little bit and see. It looks like she makes up some of the sam here, and what I like is you can come here and get some of the fried chicken and the sticky rice. And some places, like whenever you get the food, they'll let you use the mat and a little table, and you can sit out on the beach and eat your food. Making some smoothies here. You get the shaved ice. It's great fun. And a lot of people rent these little like electronic scooter things, and they buzz up and down the little boardwalk here. Lots and lots of seafood. And then here you can rent these little scooters. I have no idea how much they are, but people do it. Or the multi-person bicycle. Yeah, so this is what the Thais do. They sit right here under the trees on the mat. The whole family will be here. They'll have their drinks and food. And you can buy some of the little floaties and buy the mats here also. Little shovels. Every beach you go to in Thailand, you can buy these little plastic shovels. I think the kids just must use them one time and throw them away or something. And you can see here the ladies bringing out the shrimp here to people on the beach. Pretty cool. Relaxing little time. And those mats are 110 baht. And the little beach balls and life jackets and stuff. Yeah, so like what she'll do is you get this little table and a mat. It's included in the price of the chicken. So you get some chicken like this for like 90 baht, and some sticky rice, like 10 baht a little bag. And then you go over here and you just set up on the beach. You can see how they're doing it right there. That's just all you do. Sit here, have your food, and relax. It's quite nice. And you see they got the right idea. They have the little hammocks. All right, let's go out here and let's see what, so this is the open spot of the beach. Let's see what it looks like. And you won't find, you know, like pristine sand here. It will be lots of plastic, lots of trash on the beach. But it's a great weekend out of the city, so the kids will be out here swimming till they cannot swim anymore. Yeah, so you can see, you can rent those little tubes and go swimming. You can see this, the sand is fine. It's not bad at all. Just it is really, really dirty from all the trash. They have signs up like no bottles on the beach, but the Thais bring them out like beer bottles anyway and drink. So you do have to be mindful if you're walking here barefoot to not step on some broken glass or something like that. Yeah, I don't mind it. Even though there's trash on the beach, I don't mind this place. It's okay. The water's nice. You're near Bangkok, and just like I said, here's a glass bottle in the water. There's tons of stuff to do. They have all the banana boats, jet skis, people out here flying kites, but mainly the kids are just jumping in the water, having the best time. Yeah, I don't know how much the banana boat rental is. I've never done it. I just like to walk on the beach. But you can see right over that way, that is Sriracha. And I think that island way out there is Koh Si Chang. Sriracha is a nice little town. It's kind of a port town. And then you can see all the beach chairs, umbrellas, and the row of palms. And it's windy enough they got the kite out. Yeah, what makes this place nice though is just the convenience from Bangkok. It's an hour and a half or so outside of the city. So everybody loads up in the car, comes over, and the boys, they just absolutely love it. They'll make a whole weekend over here. And there's stuff to do at night. You can come over here. There's lots of little restaurants and little pubs and stuff like that. I think there's a university here in town also. The water is nice. It's not crystal clear. So if you're wanting like the peaceful holiday beach with the tranquility, the white sand, the crystal clear water, then don't come to Bang Saen Beach. But if you just want like a local Thai beach, then come over here, hang out. There's nothing at all wrong with it. This is good fun. Sit right here at these, you can see they got all the drinks. But sit here, they bring you food from back behind. And you can just hang out here for 8 hours, however long you want. Have a great day with the kids. And in normal kid fashion, they're digging to the other side of the world. Dig some holes, bury your brother or sister. Have a good time. You can see just kids everywhere. Having a great time. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than that. Yeah, the sand here is kind of the beige, the dark brown, kind of a little muddy, but it's not bad. I've been to worse beaches for the sand quality anyway. Now, if you go to Phuket, you go to Kata Beach. Kata Beach is about as busy as this. And people travel from all over the world to go there. Here you can just jump in a car, drive an hour and a half over here, and you're in the water. Kata Beach, the sand quality is a little better. And the water is a little cleaner down there, but it's just super, super crowded anymore. We got some tubes getting ready to hit the beach. And like I said, there's just trash everywhere. Just step around it. It doesn't faze the kids at all. And we got the jet ski with the banana boat right over there. I've been down to Bang Saen Beach many, many times. They do boat races. They do all kinds of stuff here. It's kind of a cool area. But you can see way out there, there's the shipping lanes. They got the big canister ships and stuff like that that come through here. They go to Klong Toi in Bangkok, or they drop anchor out there by Sriracha also. It's just the shipping lane right here. Yeah, people and chairs and everything else everywhere. There goes another jet ski. Got some people loaded up. Oh, the kids are just having an absolute blast. To me, that's probably the best part about going to beaches like this. is just seeing the kids. They're just in heaven. It's the simple pleasures in life. It's not the fancy 5-star resorts. It's just go have fun with the family. Put the phones away and go enjoy the beach. Yeah, really cool. Okay, so the beach just is more of this, pretty much the whole length. It'll be the beach chairs. It'll be the people. There's a few small stretches that are open like this right here. But the Thais sit up underneath the trees and eat. And in the evening, this will get a lot crowded, a lot more crowded. The people come here and hang out when it cools off a bit. Even though it's not super hot today, because it's been kind of cloudy and rainy. But the evening time is the best time here. You got the lady selling the kites here. Perfect for the kids. So one last look here at the beach. Yeah, it's nice enough. Popping a wheelie out there. Alright, so this is the place where people hang out here and they picnic. They have family meals here. They do their drinking and eating and everything. Some of them bring their own chairs, some of them rent these. Let's take one last look here at the little boardwalk. Yeah, all the food just kind of repeats. It's mostly seafood and chicken. And it has the toys and stuff like that for the kids. There's a little shrine up here. Let's go take a look at it. Just to give you an idea. You can get the whole fish. You can get the squid. Get whatever you want. Prices start at like at 180 baht, 150 baht. And samtam, all the normal Thai food, but right over there is the little shrine. I have a little Buddha here with the Naga. And then the shrine over here with all the chickens. And then there will be somebody important up there. Yeah, I'm not sure who the figure is, but it's supposed to be the spirit that takes care of the people here in Bang Saen. The spirit will protect them from like storms and all of that. And we'll look at a little bit more of this. Most of it just repeats every little bit. It'll be the same food. So you just can pick a spot here on the beach and you pretty much see everything. Yeah, you can see what she has on offer. The squid, the little crabs, the shrimp, all the shells, this big horseshoe crab. Get some drinks here. Samtam. More picnic areas and swimsuits and all of that. Over here is something a little different. They have the French fries, the cheesy fries. Good for the kids. We got some shaved ice here. Whenever I come to Bang Saen Beach, I always got to get some of the shaved ice. And then you get some of the meat on a stick. Let's come over and get some for 40 to 60 baht or so, depending on what toppings you want. And there's the little machine that they make the shaved ice right there. And some coconut ice cream. Yeah, you can just walk all along here. You can see how much stuff is on this beach. And it goes in both directions. I kind of started in the middle here. And here they make this in the banana leaves with the coconut and the sticky rice. You can get it with the red bean and stuff like that. These are always a nice little thing. You get them with the smaller ones like this, you just eat it out with those little wooden spoons. It's a great little snack. And she's walking around selling some more of the seafood here. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, we've seen about everything here. It's just all more of the same as we walk along here. That'll finish up our video over here at Bang Saen Beach. You got to see kind of what it's like. It's a local experience, so if you want to come over here, hang out with the Thais, they're all pretty friendly. You can talk to them and have a good time if you're so inclined. This is a beach that's near Bangkok, so if you come over here, it's easy to get to as far as things go. It's not going to be the pristine, white sand beach with the crystal clear water, with you sitting on a beach chair with like peace and quiet reading a book. This is a busy beach, so if you just want to come over here, get in the water, splash around a little bit, this is perfect. And it's fun. I've been here. I'd like to come over here. It's not the best beach. It's not even, like I said at the start, in the top 100, but it's a good beach. It's just a place to get wet and swim around. So if you have any questions about it, ask me in a comment down below. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and then you get to see other stuff I do. I show you whatever interests me, beaches, temples, markets, whatever, and you get to see a little bit of it. I'm pretty active, so if you're looking for content in Thai or wherever else I travel to, then subscribe, stick around, and you can see more of my videos. And until next time, today brought us over here to Bang Saen. Don't know where it's going to be tomorrow, so until next time, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.